Put the engine on right there.
Okay, the saga continues.
See if you can push it back anymore.
That won't work.
Oh, okay.
I have to.
It's not clearing the firewall?
See, I've got,
Not clearing the firewall.
an inch and a half down here.
Oh.
It's got an
So you're
inch and a
saying
half.
it's cocked too much.
Yeah.
Okay,
Gotcha.
caught too much.
Okay.
Okay, it's still suspended, and they're using pry bars and other things to move it to where it needs to be installed.
Yeah, it's pretty much higher now. It's about half an inch
So
higher.
let's cockeyed.
Okay, so yeah. See that? So what should we do now? Raise the engine a little more?
Well, let me think it out. Right back of the engine up.
Okay. Well, I can get a different jack and we could jack the back of the engine.
Jacking the back of the engine.
We do that?
It's right on the back of the fork. That's where it is.
Back of the fork.
Okay. So let me do that.
Because I'm hitting the body here. In fact, I need to roll this.
Okay, need to roll this.
There you go.
Okay, that helped. So we're going to have to put a floorboard on here. One of the amazing stories, part of the saga of the Model A, is that Zane Blevins would been traveling across the country at times, visiting family from West Coast to East Coast. He would stop at farms and ask if farmers might have Model A seats. And it was very, very iconic, and Lyle wrote a song about it. But yeah, in all those decades, they never found Model A seats, and recently Lyle found two and ordered them and received them. So anyhow, those will go in here. We'll reupholster